Your clients can pay you hassle-free. With Revorium, clients don't need to create an account. They can pay effortlessly with a link using their preferred method: PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Visa, MasterCard, or any other card of their choice. First, the client clicks on the payment link sent via email by the Revorium support team. Alternatively, freelancers can send it directly. Upon clicking, they will see all the details at a glance: the freelancer's name, service details, and the amount. They can also choose whether this is a prepayment or a postpayment. Confirm the details and click Pay Now to proceed. There is an added option to pay tips as a reward for their freelancer. After that, read the consent and accept the terms by ticking the box, then click Next. Now they can activate an additional security feature: Revorium Guard. It allows clients to securely hold the payment until they are satisfied. Then simply click Next to proceed, and choose the preferred payment method that is convenient for the client, and hit Next again. Now they can review all transaction details, download the receipt, and track that payment in real time. Don't forget that the clients can share their valuable feedback. Their input helps us serve you even better, because at Revorium, satisfaction is our priority. With Revorium, payments are quick, secure, and hassle-free. Try it today.